Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy, creamy, cheesy mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken breasts. Guys, this recipe is off the chain and yet it is so easy to make. So if you'd like to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, you'll need to have some cooked mushrooms, jalapeno, parsley, garlic, a blend of white cheddar cheese and Toma cheese, cinnamon cranberry goat cheese. Now this is optional. You could use plain goat cheese, but that's what I had and that's what I used. You'll need to have some fresh spinach, salt, and black pepper. So now I'm going to give everything a really good mix to make sure everything is properly combined, and then I'll set this aside and move on to dealing with my chicken. So here I have my chicken boobies, and using a paring knife, I'm going to cut a slit into the chicken breast to create the pouch or pocket that I'll be stuffing all that delicious cheesy stuffing into. So be careful when you cut into your chicken. You do not want to pierce it through and through, but even if you do, it's fine. So for my seasoning, I'm using some salt, black pepper, rosemary, paprika, and garlic powder. So now, given that a really good mix, I'm gonna go ahead and season the entire chicken breast with my seasoning blend. Guys, if you watch my videos, you know that I like to get the seasoning on every part of my meats, so that way I end up with really, really tasty chicken. So once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start stuffing my chicken breasts with my stuffing. So guys, make sure you put as much stuffing as you possibly can fit into your chicken breast, because when you cook it, everything is going to shrink. The spinach is going to release a lot of moisture and everything will shrink down. So just put in as much as you can get in there, and because the more filling you get, the creamier and nicer your chicken is. So today I'm going to be cooking my chicken in my wonderful air fryer, and I'm putting some oil in the basket just to make sure nothing sticks, and some additional oil on top of my chicken breast just to give it a really nice crispy exterior and give it some shine. So now I'm adding my chicken to my air fryer, and I'm going to be cooking at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for around about 16 minutes. So guys, this depends on how thick your chicken breasts are. So while that is cooking, can we just take a moment to talk about my gorgeous, joyous air fryer? Guys, this air fryer is so easy to use and so easy to clean, which I really, really love. And it looks amazing on my countertop. And it also comes with a pizza pan, a cake pan, and a silicone mat. So if you'd like to grab one for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, along with a discount code for you to get yourself a nice discount. So this is what my chicken breast looks like after about 16 minutes of cooking in the air fryer. Guys, it is so amazing. Amazing. The juices from the spinach combined with the creaminess from the cheese really made that stuffing so good, and it kept my chicken breast really, really moist. Guys, you definitely need to try this one. You need to try this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, like and share this video and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.